Hello, my math independent study student. In this video, we are going to identify the intercepts from the graph. Let's look at this graph. You can see that the graph crossed the x-axis 2 times and touched the x-axis 1 time. So at these 3 points, when the graph crossed or touched the x-axis, we call the x-intercept. So I'm going to write down the x-intercepts are the 3 points -5, 0, 1, 0, and 6.7, 0. Now the graph also crossed the y-axis at 1 time, so at this point we call the y-intercept. So in this case we have one y-intercept. So the y-intercept is the point 0, -0.9. So now let's write down the definition of the x-intercept. So the x-intercept, which is the point at which a graph crosses or touch x-axis called x-intercept. So look at the graph right here. We can see that there are 3 x-intercepts because the graph crossed the x-axis 2 times and touched the x-axis 1 time. So that there are a total of 3 x-intercepts. So now let's write out the definition for the y-intercept. So the y-intercept again, that will be the point at which a graph cross or touch y-axis are called y-intercept. So now next objective, we want to determine whether an ordered pair is a point on a graph of an equation. So let's start with this example. If we given the equation, two x plus 4y equal equal 12, and we want you to check if the point 2, -2 is a point on the graph. So here in order to check, we are going to go back to our equation, and we are going to substitute our x for 2 and our y for negative 2. So now I'm going to go back, I'm going to substitute, so we'll do 2 x, so the x, now I'm going to put the blank for, I'm going to put parenthesis blank inside, and then put the question mark, so we want to check to see if it equal 12. So now substitute x for 2, y for negative 2. So now we are going to apply the order of operation. We are going to multiply first. Now next we come back and we are going to find the differences. So 4 minus AB negative 4. So negative 4 does not equal to 12. So I'm going to say right here that does not equal. So since negative 4 does not equal to 12, then we can conclude, therefore, the point two comma negative 2 is not on the graph of the equation 2x plus 4y equal 12. So let's write out this summary. In this video, we learned to identify the x-intercept, the y-intercept, from the graph. We also learned to determine whether an ordered pair is a point on the graph of an equation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in class. Good night.